brand new project. Guys, we are second day of a LSF extension, but not sideways, on top. So we are removing an existing roof on top of basically the kitchen and the lounge area, but we're not replacing the ceiling. We're going to keep the ceiling, we're going to keep the trusses. It's going to be a joist system that we will install on top of the roof, and then on top of the garage and on top of the pantry is basically going up. So I'll show you guys what we're doing today. We are going to continue with the joists. The joists got delivered yesterday. I'll show you how they assemble that. Basically all the joists, all the walls and the trusses, all the equipment for the ceilings has all arrived yesterday in one truck. So basically, if you put it into perspective, is all the brickwork has arrived on site. First thing that we're doing is we will assemble the joist. After we've assembled all the joist, everything will go up to the rooftop, and after that we will start installing the joist. We cannot do anything before we've installed the joist in the floor system, because obviously on top of that will be the walls, and on top of that will be the roof trusses. There is the risk of the rain factor due to the fact that we're removing the existing sheeting, putting down the joist, putting down the floor, and then reinstalling the roof afterwards. It is in winter. We do not have rain. Well, we do not have rain in the winter season in Johannesburg, South Africa. So we're holding thumbs that we would not expect any rain. We've got probably a 2-month window where we do not expect any rain. So we're pushing to get the joist and the floor system in so that we can get the walls on, get the trusses on, so that then we can install the sheeting that we removed back on top. There won't be a risk factor over the garage because it's a flat roof section and it has been waterproofed, but it's over the lounge and the kitchen that we obviously have got the risk factor. So we're basically assembling joist today and tomorrow and Friday. Spam. Don't answer spam. So today is Thursday. We will assemble today and tomorrow and all the joist. Monday coming, banging on the joist system and then start taking off the roof. I'll obviously explain what we're going to do there. So guys, this project, we will call it LSF project, light steel frame project. So future reference, that will be the name of the project. But it's going to be good, it's going to be exciting, it's going to be quick. We're probably going to be in and out about 3 months. Install the entire new bedroom section. So we're building a main bathroom, main bedroom, another 2 bedrooms and another bathroom upstairs. Once all of that has been done, we're moving downstairs in the existing bathrooms and sleeping area to demolish walls. So brand new, exciting, and I hope you guys are going to enjoy the video. Welcome back to the channel, guys. It is a Monday, just at the LSF extension rooftop where we're just building scaffolding at the moment. I'll show you what we intend to do over there. Tomorrow we're starting to take roof sheeting off, so we're obviously not going to take all the roof sheeting off. We're just going to do it in sections. Once we've got some roof sheet off, we're going to put the joist, some roof sheet, joist, etc. So it is the risk factor of taking the roof off with regards to rain, but fortunately for the next 2 or 3 weeks, with regards to where I could see the weather forecast, we're not expecting any rain. All the joist that has been assembled is on top of the roof or top of the garage at the moment, just to create some more space because it doesn't have a lot of space, the site. More scaffolding is going to come. We are going to, where the guys are assembling now, we're going to also put some scaffolding. So tomorrow we're going to remove sheeting and also break down gable walls. Welcome back, guys. It is a Wednesday. I'm at the LSF extension rooftop where we are probably 75% done with all the assembly of the walls. All the joists is done. You can see up on the rooftop all the joists are basically lying here ready for installation. We started to remove the roof yesterday, so we basically removed, I think it was about 6 or 7 sheets on either side of the pitch roof, but we encountered a little bit of an issue. There is internal water pipes that's going to be above the underside of the joist. I'll explain a little bit better once I get there. So what we are doing is we're going to build up the beam filling in order for us to joist to be on a level surface, because we are taking basically the existing build and guessing that the parapets and the internal walls etc are on a level surface. With regards to us building up the beam filling, we're ensuring that the entire floor area will be level. We are raising the floor by 170 millimeters. It's not an issue. We're still in building regulations, and that's all fine. Plan for today is to finish up the brickwork. There's a team on the other side of the house on the grass busy assembling the rest of the walls. As soon as they're done with the walls, they are then going to start with the trusses. We have ordered the roof sheeting, we have ordered the substrate for the floor. As soon as the substrate's done, we're going to pop the walls on. Walls, trusses sheeting, external boards. Then we've got basically a watertight envelope. We will wrap the building with tieback. It's a moisture membrane. I'll explain to you guys and show you guys what that is. After we've done that, we basically got a watertight envelope. The guys are mixing Dugger at the moment. For all the new guys, Dugger is basically building sand and cement. It's slang. So guys are busy with that. There's not a lot of space on this site. We have literally used every single inch of this property. We've got 800 bricks, we've got a cube of building sand, we've got cement, we've got an area where they're mixing, we've got an area where they're storing, we've got an area where they're assembling, we've got joists on top of the roof. So fun and lekker. It is Friday afternoon, guys. It is 7 minutes past 4. As you probably can notice, I am absolutely knackered. Updates on the sites. I'm at the first floor extension renovation now, where we basically have cleaned the entire first floor and we are ready for the architect to de-snag on Monday morning, 8:30. Anything that he still picks up or notices, he will identify those to us, and then we can then fix it Monday afternoon once he's sent us the desnag list. There is a few items like the plug covers that needs to go on, the light switch covers, they need to go on. Other than that, the BICs, built-in cupboards, in the kids' bedrooms and in the storeroom, that's bedroom, basically in the bedroom number 4, that still needs to go in, but that's only towards the end of this month. Once that is in, client can move in. Phase 1 is completely finished. There is one shelf in the vanity in the bathroom, the main bathroom, that they just need to install. Other than that, all good, all finished. So we're just waiting on that, and then we can hit second phase. We still need to go through the quote with the client just to make sure that we've got everything covered. Update on the LSF extension, basically also rooftop extension. The joist floor system has been going in since this morning, as you will see in the video now. Boom. That has been going well. We've picked up a little bit of a snag. There is about 4 or 5 joists that's a little bit too long, so we're just making them a little bit shorter. That's not going to affect the integrity of the joist itself, because underneath those joists, in any case, we're putting stumps because the bath is going over there. Just some extra support. We are going to start with the rubberizing of between the shutter ply and the joist with it's basically a 1.2 millimeter rubber that we're going to put on. That's going to start Monday. We're going to start with the 18 millimeter shutter ply installation on Monday, because we need to get covering over. So after that, we're going to install the walls, trusses, and then the sheeting. We have ordered the fiber cement board that goes on top of the shutter ply. That has been ordered, it just needs to be delivered. The roof sheeting has been ordered. I met with the plumber today at 1:30 just to discuss routes for underneath the joist system, so he's on board. Still need to meet up with the electrician, but he only basically comes in once we've got the walls and the roof on. So everything is going well, guys. But just quickly back here at the first floor extension, all the bathroom fittings has been installed. The client just needs to go through them over the weekend to make sure everything is in the right height, in the right, it's all lined up, etc. So good videos to come next week, guys. Thank you for watching, and just a reminder, if you enjoy the videos, please give me a thumbs up. It really does help support the channel, and just smash that little subscribe button. Have a lekker week, guys. Cheers.